Check out this pre-owned 2008 GMC Sierra 3500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 239,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, power door locks, tow hooks, power windows, and window defogger. Shop by confidence. We have a biggest selection of used trucks for sale. Just check out our website on the Get Pre-Approved tab and get approved in 5 minutes. We also offer rates as low as 3.19% on approved credit, and can take all vehicles, paid for or not, on trade. Value your trade-in. More questions? Just call or text us at 281-377-9444.